Hello viewers, welcome to Mathathon. Now we'll be constructing an isosceles triangle ABC where AB and AC would measure 5 centimeters and the base BC would be 8 centimeters. Now we're going to be using our ruler or pencil and our compass. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our ruler and we're going to draw our base of 8 centimeters. All right, I'm going to start from 0 and I'm going to find my 8. So my 8 centimeters would have been here. And I'm going to label my base BC. And I'm also going to put my 8 centimeters. Now, to get AB and AC of length 5 centimeters, I'm going to have to take my compass, put it at 0, and I'm going to open my compass to the width of 5 centimeters. All right. And remember, it should be 5. If it's not, it will be off. All right. Then I'm going to go to each point of my 8 centimeter line, the starting point and the ending point, and I'm going to ensure the width of my 5 centimeters does not change on my compass, and I'm going to make an arc. Then I'm going to the other side, and I'll also be making an arc, and where the arcs meet, I'm going to draw a line from each point. So from where the arcs to the starting point and the ending point of BC to complete my triangle. So I'm going to draw my line here. And when we're through drawing, I'll measure it to ensure that both sides are of 5 centimeters. All right, just give me a few. It takes some time for me to align mine here. All right, this looks a bit okay. So I'm going to draw here. So now let's measure to see. And at the top here would have been A, right? Because we're closing off for a triangle. Now let's measure to see if this is 5. Now this would have given me 5. So therefore, we successfully constructed our isosceles triangle with AB and AC equal 5 centimeters and our base of 8 centimeters.